How to add music to Instagram post with multiple photos. First of all, you have to connect your device to an stable internet connection. Then open Instagram app. Once you open the app, make sure to sign in on your account. Then tap on the plus button at the bottom center of the screen. Then here you will see the option of post, story, reels and live at the bottom of the screen. Since we need to post pictures here, we have to select and post. Then you need to tap on select multiple icon and then you have to select the multiple pictures that you want to post on Instagram. Then tap on next button at the top right corner of the screen. Then after that, let's tap on OK. You can explore and customize new filters for every mode. So you can also place or replace these pictures from wherever you wish to by dragging with your finger. Then after that, you can also customize these pictures by adding some filters here. Then at the top of the screen, we can see the music icon. You can tap on the music icon and here we can easily select any music from For You section, or you can also search music with the help of the search icon at the top of the screen. You can select any music from here. Also, you can select the clip duration with the help of the timer here and choose the clip duration. Let's select 20 seconds and tap on done. By sliding this small rectangular box, you can also select the segment of the song and tap on the tick mark icon at the bottom right corner of the screen once it is done, and you can tap on the next button. Also, the other way to add music to Instagram post is when you tap on this button or the next button, then here you will see the option of music. You can tap on the music button and from here also you can add music. So you can easily customize this post by adding caption, adding location, tagging people and many more, and tap on share button at the bottom of the screen to share the post to Instagram. Later, if you check your post, then you will easily find that we have successfully added music to Instagram post with multiple photos. So that is how we add music to the Instagram post with multiple photos. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more updates.